In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record and upload audio content to a MyLife post using the built-in recorder tool. This is my account, and I am creating a post around a blog that I've been running for a long time. It's roadtripsforfamilies.com, and I am going to record an audio file that I can add to this post and explain a little bit more about it. So I'm going to click audio and record, and the circle, now you'll see that I'm starting to record. I have been running a family travel blog called roadtripsforfamilies.com for 10 years. I took my kids all over the country and blogged about it, and I have enjoyed learning how to use WordPress. So now I've stopped the recording, and you can see the audio file has been added and embedded within my MyLife post. Now you'll see that I'm starting to record. I have been running a family travel blog called roadtripsforfamilies.com for 10 years. I took my kids all over the country and blogged about it, and I have enjoyed learning how to use WordPress. So obviously this is a recording within a recording, but I'm able to save this audio file, and I'm going to post. And now this MyLife post around my blog and that little short audio blurb has been added to my MyLife portfolio.